What's up, guys? It's your boy Sawan Belcher. Today I wanted to bring you this short video. On how you can literally get a loan right now, no matter what issue you're going through, whether that is money, credit, time, whatever it is. You can literally get a home loan right now to buy your first or your next property. And in this video, I wanted to share with you this house that I literally just purchased, okay, without getting qualified for a loan. But I did get a loan with a 5% interest rate. I didn't have to bring any money to actually buy it. I actually got paid to buy it, and I will continue to get paid to keep it. So I just wanted to explain kind of like the deal with this house, so maybe you can understand. And then if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to help you understand how you can do the same thing for yourself. Now, one thing that most people will ask me in my DM, I get it all the time, I get it in the comments, is, hey man, how do I get started with doing this? The first things first is to start marketing. Okay, so essentially, once you start marketing for people, literally saying, hey, this is what I do, okay, this is how I help people. The people that, as long as you get that message in front of the people that you need, you will start to see people raise their hand, send you inquiries, ask you questions. And when the questions come, you have to have an ear, okay, and you have to have a heart for the people, and then also have options with a solution that you can provide to them. Typically, I market through my online presence, through active, okay, so through cold calling, and then also through physical signs, okay. Whenever I do all of these at the same time, typically we do this every single day, so we at least get in front of 10,000 people a day. Don't let the number scare you. We get in front of 10,000 people a day, just so we can build up enough steam to generate leads every single day, okay? The leads that you generate from motivated sellers are literally going to make you money just because you have those leads. You can make money off of the leads just by having them, or you can take it a step further and get the deals on the contract. If you need a free purchase agreement, I have one right there on my website. This is metakinaction.com. Wait for a second when you get there, put in your email, and you will get the version that I use of my purchase agreement, so you guys can get deals on the contract whenever you run into people who need your help. Now, if this young lady said, hey, I'm purchasing a new house, I've already gotten it built, I've had to make two deposits, but now we're at the point where I can move in, but I have to make my largest deposit, and because of XYZ, I don't have that deposit. Now, I do have a house that I live in currently that I was going to sell after I moved, that I could use money from, but of course I would have to sell that first, be homeless, and then move into my house. So I'm trying to avoid doing that. Can you help me? Now, she didn't say that all in one sentence like I just told you. I had to pry it out with building rapport, finding commonalities, showing her that I'm an expert, sounding enthusiastic, and being sharp. When you're talking to people, you need to really focus on rapport, just being a person that cares, still finding out the conditions, still finding out why, digging into that why, finding out how soon they want to sell, and essentially finding out what they will sell at, what price they'll sell at today. Once they've given you all of that, hopefully you've done your part in getting them to trust you right there on the phone. And once you do, you need to be sending them testimonials, a website, pictures of you and the family, comps, anything to build up further expertise, and then lay out 3 different options, okay, 3 different offers that will help them solve their problem. Now, doing this face-to-face definitely works the best, okay, but a lot of the times we need to do volume. We need to do a lot of this to make it work. So I suggest that you just do this on the phone and maybe come up with a template email that you can send via DocuSign for them to sign if they choose to go with one of those offers. And all of those offers should benefit you and Then, like I said, use the purchase agreement to send these offers. Okay, once they make an agreement, the one that I prefer is me taking over their payments or me making them payments over time. Once they agree, I take that to my attorney, okay, and then we go to close on the house, okay, either using other people's mortgages, other people's money, or finding a tenant buyer or a tenant in place to cover all of my fees for me, allowing me, okay, once again, to get a loan on a house that I did not have to use my cash or credit to qualify for, but in turn allowing me to own a house that I now can generate income from by renting it, by refinancing it, or by selling it, you know, so I can build long-term wealth. Now, is this easy? Heck yeah, it is. You know, can this be hard? Of course, if you don't know the instructions. The good news for you is on October 1st, myself and my friend, we're putting a lot of effort, my friend JT Hustles, we're putting a lot of effort into getting as many of you on a call where we're gonna spend 5 or 6 hours going through how to find sellers who are willing to pass over mortgages to you, finding sellers who are willing to take their profits over time and sell you their house on payments. Okay, we're gonna show you how to negotiate with them, what we need to break down in a conversation, little small tactics that you can use to make a conversation better. And then we're going to show you how to analyze these deals so you know if it's a good deal or not. Will it benefit you to keep it or will it benefit you to sell it? And then also how to make money on those through keeping them, selling them, or refinancing them so you guys can have long-term generational wealth if you choose to, or have money right now today where you can ball out and flex and ultimately live out your dream. Okay, that's our goal. So we want to see you October the 1st on the Home Loans for Everyone Subject to Real Estate Investing live training. Okay, we will see you guys there. Peace, y'all.